Hey, what's up guys, it's Legit Flitz here, and I got a flashlight, and in this video we're gonna do flips off of this little hill here. Yeah, it's like not little, but in person, like you can't really see how steep it is, but it's actually really steep. Not steep, and you're gonna try it. Nice shoes! Do you see her shoes? Look at her shoes. Look at that girl's shoes. That's nice shoes! That's legit flips. Legitness. Alright, hurry up, go. Because I got an idea. But it's going to be a little creepy. I'm gonna back foot first, I guess.
Okay, go. Down the hill. Down this hill. Down the hill.
Okay, here we go.
Don't over-rotate. Oh. Front flip down it.
Not really, my foot's kind of hurting.
Just try it real quick. We gotta make this video long.
Okay, I'll try it once. If I sprain my foot, it's your fault.
You already sprained your foot doing it all front on a freaking Euro tramp. Okay, go. Ooh, nice. Nice. Alright. Alright, come on.
I don't know which one.
Let's see. Okay, guys, I just got a perfect idea. Since we're really close to the sewer, over there's a little sewer pipe, but we cannot get in that to that one. Oh yes, we're gonna go in. Dude, look at this. Look at this. Look here, hold the flashlight. Dude, look. Look, you cannot, like, literally in the video, you can barely see anything. So we're fixing to go down this. Alright, you want to go first or me?
I'll
Here,
go first.
that's what you film.
Here,
I'll
you
have the
take this.
flashlight.
Make sure you let me, Okay, so guys, we are inside this tunnel here, and Quinn is down right there.
Show them the water.
The water? Okay, so there's pretty shallow water here, but still. Oh, dude, we can... Dude! Here. Here, we can go, the cars are up here and stuff, and, oh dude, one of us should go up there and like, say hi from up there.
Alright, here, I'll go.
Want me? Okay.
You take this, yeah. I could not see you. Shine the flashlight down this way.
Okay, go dude. Okay, so, this is pretty scary down here. Oh, dude, you up there? Yeah. Hey! Here, take the camera. Take the camera.
Bro, I swear if you drop this.
I'm not gonna drop it.
Alright, oh my gosh, guys. Eli is down there all by himself. Alright, I'm coming down. Alright, guys. Coming back down here. It's a little scary because there's actually a lot of stray dogs around here. And, like, they're usually very mean, vicious dogs. And yeah, all right, let's go farther, I guess. Stop! Here. A little. Okay. Here we go. We're going. Yeah.
Do you want me to go up there?
All right, go.
Where'd you get?
I was just looking at this.
Ew, what is that?
Oh my gosh. Just go.
I hate it. Did you see it?
What was that?
What?
Did you not hear that?
No?
Bro, that was scary. All right, I guess let's keep on going. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I hate this. Oh, there's 3 tunnels. You can't see anything. I need the flashlight. Yeah. I need the flashlight. You can't see anything in the video.
For real?
Yeah, seriously.
Right here, let me in front.
Oh, what was that? No. Oh my gosh, who is it? What was that?
I stepped in the water. So what?
Someone is in there.
No.
Someone is in there.
I couldn't. I had to run, so I stepped on the water. And
Dude, someone was in there though. I saw someone's head like go like that. If you could see it in the video. I don't know if I was pointing at you or something.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my
We
gosh.
gotta go investigate this.
Okay.
Dude, that was
Are you going first or am I going first?
you go first. You have the camera.
Okay.
Yeah,
Or we could trade.
No.
No.
Alright, we gotta get all the leads to those 3 tunnels. Go.
Yeah.
Let's like get beside. Can you like walk like this?
No. My foot hurts too much.
Oh shoot.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was something. You can't see anything in the video, like seriously, dude.
Well, here, take the camera and this. Hold on. Before looking at this stuff. Alright. Yo, bro, it's scary back
You still can't see anything.
Well, that's how it's gonna have to be until we get to the 3 thingy.
The 3 thingy.
Yo!
What?
I heard that same thing. No, I'm actually scared. For real? In real life here, I'm actually.
Hey, is anyone down here?
Eli, like, for real, can we go back? I'm being serious.
Seriously?
On my life.
We're at the 3 tunnels,
I
though.
don't care. On my life. I'm not going in there. No, I swear I
I'm just gonna.
Eli,
Yeah,
for real.
What?
Please.
What?
Just look behind you.
Okay.
No. Here, give me a flashlight, please.
Flashlight.
Oh my gosh, I gotta keep.
Do you want to go back?
I don't know. Go. Just keep on going.
Here, we're gonna stop right here, where we can stand up.
My back is hurting.
All 3 of us. Yeah, my back is hurting too.
Honestly, we probably could get through there because there's like really no water. All we have to do is crawl on our knees.
Okay.
But I honestly don't want to do it.
Maybe we can make a part 2 when we.
Maybe in the daytime. I'll go in the daytime.
Yeah, in
Right
the
now,
daytime.
I'm so freaking creeped out. Like, do you want to just like go around that corner and just aim the camera over there?
Not really. But
Do you want to go?
I mean,
I'll be right behind you.
I will go for the video if you want me to.
Let's go.
You sure?
I guess.
You're
I mean,
It's smaller than that one. What?
Shut up! You scared the fucking living crap out of me.
It's smaller than that.
All right, go. I'll go.
Go.
You're gonna have to crawl on your knees.
No, I got this. Oh my gosh, what the frick is that? Is that a slug?
Where?
Right there. You see it?
I don't know. Just please go. I want to get this over.
Okay. That is a slug.
Well, it's not. I can't be that big.
Yeah, I can.
Where?
Right there.
On the wall?
Yes, on the wall.
No, that's something else.
No, it's not a. Oh man, there's freaking spider webs everywhere.
You can stay there. I ain't going.
Okay, there's.
I'll be.
Yeah, we can't.
In the daytime, I'll go because I'm freaked
Yeah,
out.
me too. Okay, let's go.
Here, you get in front.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh shoot! Oh, go! What the frick is that? Go! Oh my gosh! What the frick is that? Come on!
No. Wait, it was like click.
It was a click.
I heard that sound.
Like someone dropped something or something.
I stepped in all that water, bro.
I'm literally lightheaded right now.
Alright, I think we need to end the video here. I mean, it's 8 minutes. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll make a part 2 of this video. Just leave in the comments and get 20 likes. 20 likes and we'll do this in our another video. We'll go all the way down that tunnel. Alright, guys.
We're gonna go through the spider webs.
It was legit flips today. Not really flips, but how about 2 of them? But that was pretty fun. Alright.
Do you want me to do mine?
Alright, see ya.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Legit Flips. Please like, subscribe, share the events if you enjoyed. I will see you later. Peace!